Hi guys, this is Amrish and I'm back again with another interesting recipe which is traveling from southern part of India. And I have got ingredients like banana stem salad, I have got some sprouts, I have got some curry leaves, I have got some coriander. And before we start, let's open the jar and make some dressing. I have got some lemon juice, followed by I will add some olive oil. Along with that, I will add some salt. And this will be my basic seasoning or dressing for the salad. And just to save some time and have a perfect emulsion of all these three ingredients, I'll shake my jar nicely to prepare a nice dressing. I think the dressing is almost ready. And let's add ingredients to the jar. To start with, I have got a banana stem, which is another interesting ingredient, very high on fiber and good for the kidney patients, helps in digestion. Followed by I will add some green mung sprouts, then I have got some sprouted beans, let's make it full of protein and fiber. Add some fresh coriander leaves, followed by some assorted lettuce green and some fresh fried curry leaves. And not to forget, an important ingredient which is from South India is coconut. Will be giving a nice crunch and a sweetness to my dressing. And here your banana stem, crispy sprout and coconut salad is ready. Before you have this salad, I would recommend you to insert the jar upside down so that all the dressing can seep in to the leaves which are on the top layer, and then you can have your salad in a bowl.